नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In this practical session, we will learn how to prepare a culture media. Purpose of culture media: to isolate bacteria in pure culture, demonstrate bacteria's properties, determine the sensitivity to the antibiotics, estimate viable counts of the bacteria, and obtain sufficient growth for preparation. A growth media or culture media is a solid, liquid, or semi-solid designed to support the growth of a population of microorganisms or cells via the process of cell proliferation, or small plants like the moss Physomystra plant patents. Different types of media are used for growing different type of cells. A microbiological culture or microbial culture is a method of multiplying microbial organisms by letting them reproduce in predetermined culture medium under controlled laboratory conditions. Microbial cultures are foundational and basic diagnostic methods used as a research tool in molecular biology. Microbial cultures are used to determine the type of organism, its abundance in the sample being tested, or both. It is one of the primary diagnostic method of microbiology and used as a tool to determine the cause of infectious disease by letting the agent multiply in a predetermined medium. For example, a throat culture is taken by scraping the lining of tissue in the back of the throat and blotting the sample into a medium to be able to screen for harmful microorganisms such as Streptococcus pyogenes, the causative agent of the strep throat. Furthermore, the term culture is more generally used informally to refer to selectively growing a specific kind of microorganism in the laboratory. Now these are the different type of culture media. We will study every type of culture media in next and for future lectures, future practical lectures. But here I am giving you a brief knowledge of these type of culture medias. First is nutrient agar. Suspended 28 gram of nutrient agar powder in 1 liter of distilled water. Bring to the boil to dissolve it completely. Dispenses as required and sterilized. Nutrient broth. Add 13 gram of nutrient broth powder to 1 liter of distilled water. Mix well and dispenses as required and sterilize. Now malt extract agar. Suspended 18 gram agar powder in 1 liter of distilled water. Bring to the boil to dissolve it completely. Add 15 gram of malt extract per liter. Mix well, dispense as required. Now mannitol yeast extract agar. Suspended 10 gram of agar in 1 liter of distilled water. Heat to dissolve it. Add 0.5 gram of K2HPO4, 0.2 gram of MgSO4.7H2O, and 0.2 gram of sodium chloride, 0.2 gram of calcium chloride hydroxide, and 10 gram of mannitol, and 0.4 gram of yeast extract. Dispense as required. Mannitol yeast extract both, as about without agar. Glucose nutrient broth, make up nutrient broth as already directed. Add 10 gram per liter of glucose. Sugar peptone water. Add 10 gram of peptone, 5 gram of NaCl, 5 gram of sugar, and 20 cubic millimeter of universal indicator to 1 liter of distilled water. pH should be 7.4. Tributylene agar. Heat to melt and dispense aseptically may be prepared by adding 1% tributylene to nutrient agar. Glucose yeast extract broth. Add 10 gram of peptone, 5 gram of NaCl, 3 gram of yeast extract to 1 liter of distilled water. It is glucose yeast extract Lemco broth is prepared by adding 10 gram of Lemco to glucose yeast extract broth. Milk agar. It is made up nutrient agar as above but using only 900 cubic millimeter of distilled water. Dissolve 20 gram of dried skimmed milk in 100 cubic millimeter of distilled water. Sterilize separately. Transfer the milk to the agar aseptically after cooling at 45 to 50 degrees Celsius. Starch agar. Suspended 15 gram of nutrient agar in 100 cm cube distilled water, bring to the boil to dissolve completely. Heat 40 gram of soluble starch in 100 cubic millimeter of distilled water to form a suspension. Allow to cool and then mix with the nutrient agar solution. Iodine solution. Dissolve 1 gram of iodine crystal and 2 gram of potassium iodine in 300 cubic meter of distilled water. Cellulose broth for Trichoderma resii. 800 cubic meter of distilled water, 0.1 gram of calcium chloride, 0.5 gram of NH4 2SO4, 0.5 gram of yeast extract powder, 0.5 gram of asparagine, 10 gram of carboxymethyl cellulose, 1 gram of KH2PO4 and pH would be 6.2. Milk ingredients, heat gently, mix ingredients, heat gently and stir until they all dissolved. Repreparation of culture media. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all enjoyed this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.